How to fix Instagram couldn't add to template. Now, before we run the troubleshooting steps, make sure that your Instagram is currently updated to the latest version. Pull up your Google Play Store and look for Instagram. From here, now once Instagram needs an update, there will be a visible icon right here that says update. You'll just have to make sure that you tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, once you made sure that your Instagram is updated, just go ahead and pull up or access your Instagram account, log into your registered account from Instagram, and then simply go to the three lines at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to help. From help, go to report a problem and then report problem without shaking. Now include and continue. Now from here, there are two options. It says upload and screenshot. Now, if you have took or if you took a screenshot out of that error message that you have received, just simply upload it by clicking or tapping this gallery icon right here. And then on the description field, just type in, please help me out, I'm having issues uploading my template. Now, once you click send or hit send, you will be generated with a report ticket number, and all you have to do is just wait for the Instagram customer support to get back to you because they're going to be the ones to resolve the problem for you. So those are the troubleshooting steps and how you can fix Instagram couldn't add to template.